no get right. Come on. 70 years old boy kidney.
Things dey happen for this world though. This one na Nigeria, my country. Nigeria, my country. Wetin can still happen? Hospital for Nigeria just harvest one person kidney. 70 years old boy for Nigeria. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Today I bring this news come from now when I see for social media. They just collect a 17 years old boy. They harvest am. Wetin una dey speak? Una want to speak English. Me, they just remove 70 years old boy. How people when speak English, sabi they talk and say harvest. But this one not be laughing matter because the thing really vex me. It make me provoke. I just see the news this evening. I say, what? 17 years old boy. Then he brother the para. I go leave the video for now. Me una watch. Waiting and get to talk. Me go say talk my own. Me una watch the video first. I will come back.
This one no get right. Come on. 70 years old boy kidney. Sell am. Come on, 70 years old boy kidney. Oh. Sell am for this hospital. They come here, they tell us trash. And they can't even go married. They come on 70 years old boy kidney. Oh. Why will it be like that? Which place do they work like this? Which place they work like that? Resistance say no get family. You carry am. They come out kidney for him body. Una go here, go down human right to go do am. They go here am. They own a play. I don't want anything from them. I don't want. They don't get any right to come out that guy kidney. Say that they give person. They don't get any rights. They don't get any right at all. I don't want anything from there. I don't want. Now my sister with all the mumu, they talk shit. They talk nonsense. They talk for mouth. Now that one will save her life. You know how many years our parents don't die, leave us, we still they survive. Say that kidney, my brother go say, oh, go take me car. I dey live large, I dey live fine, I dey live on my own, I dey pay my rent, I dey do everything. You know, then years old boy kidney, sell am for this hospital. They come here, they tell us trash. And they can't even go married. They come out 70.
My people, I hope una don't wash am. If brother, if over they say hi, brother, take the response. Somebody dey there. If they ask and waiting, he say, I don't need anything. He says it's when their family live there. He said that they eat, that they survive. It's like his sister, you know, one for family, one must get squeeze, knows all those squeeze. Maybe his sister don't they d'accord. French they say d'accord. Maybe sister don't they accept what they bargain. You they accept, you the sister, you they accept what they okay, you want to use your brother to make money. What did this our brother read talk? He say, ain't a big money. Oh, yes, if you can feed yourself, you can feed your family, you can afford your house strength, you are a big man on your own. You know me say you must be millionaire, you must be billionaire. Why you guys will now just collect 17 years old pikin, now put am for bed, and now go remove a kidney? Okay, now I can talk nothing at the if na the boy who talk, and how old is the boy? If the boy get parents, because I suspect they don't get parents. What did this boy talk? He says since when their parents is no more, say that they survive. Why you go sell the brother kidney to make her? He no go green. Why Nigeria? I pray and justice. That is this case. I pray may they find justice for this case. I pray may they find justice for this case because the boy say they go human rights. If they go human rights because the thing they pay now, how you now just collect the brother kidney for what? Because no one can use and save the rich, or no one use and save who gets money. They will now come collect this boy life. Abi, no one use and save somebody when he gets money. When they pack all the money for now, then this boy will come pass. That one no pass. Abi. No, anything when you do on this life, always remember there is God. If you can remember there is God watching to do somebody bad, it go they heavy you. If you can remember, this thing that when they do so, God is watching. My God, they see. Oh, if I do like this, if I do like this, for you to do bad, you not feel do bad. But if you just feel say, I don't care. Then if you want to hurt anybody, you just hurt them just like that. It's very, very bad. I bet before they do something, maybe they think. Always get plan B. Always they think, say, it can be me. It can be your brother. It can be your sister. It can be anybody close to you. It can be any of your loved ones. How you go feel? If you want to do something for person, maybe you want hurt person, or maybe you want to do person something, always put yourself in that person's shoe. For you to feel hurt that person, you go think back. That is what I they always think. What of person they do me this thing? How I go feel? What of person they do my brother this thing? How I go feel? What of you when you harvest that boy kidney? What of now your pikin 17 years then they put for bed to save rich man life? Now they tell first arrest one of our governor for UK. He carry person come UK. He said, "May he go save his daughter life." He said, "May he go save his daughter life." From there, now they enter problem. I believe that this hospital, this will not be the first time what they do. Be like, don't tell when they do this thing. But this boy, now he exposed them. He don't tell when they do the thing they sweet them. collecting people kidney, that they sell am. I get a lot of comments. People say, may they investigate, thoroughly, may they investigate this hospital very well. He said some kidnap, I don't want to measure and where, I don't know whether YouTube. He said if they don't feel pay, then they will cut the person all part of it, but they will sell them. Say may they go investigate this hospital. Now waiting one commenter talk. One commenter say is now this hospital now they carry mama go last week. Now mama did last week. Say that they just they pack money because they need to pack money to pay people when they steal their kidney. They need to pack money. I just finished my sister monetization part. You see, now what did they do? Now what did they do? Then when normal person come go hospital now, all the bill when they're not supposed to cut, they cut her because they know the money when they give out. My people, the thing they vex me. I beg if you make this video, please share this video. As they call for comment section, one person say share the video, let go viral, and let this video go viral. In fact, let these people find justice. Let them find justice. Yes, for this guy, a 17 years old guy. One person even drop one nasty comment. I mean, one call. He said maybe the boy is desperate. Desperate quoi? Desperate what? What do you know they talk sometimes? I dey wonder how some people will just stay talk. Desperate quoi? It can be your child. If that your child come your friend say, "Mommy, remove my heart." You go try him. You will not try him. You go take her sit down, take him sit down, advise him. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. You will make it. Keep pushing. One day God will remember you. I think you give him that advice. If that guy, maybe, now the boy sign and say, "May they remove him." But if he meets rightful doctor, or he meets doctor when he gets fear of God, he go say, "My son, what are you doing? What are you saying?" No, don't do it. Because you always think about a child. You always think about a loved one. You always think about people surrounding him. If we they do something, maybe they double think. Now they say because of say, now the boy, he go, which kind of comment with that? I beg pack where? My people, I hope you now don't watch the video. Drop your own opinion. Please share this video. If not, you want to share. But because of this, if you can pick that boy, pick a video, then blast her. They blast her. So that may they find justice. Justice for this guy. 17 years old boy. When hospital take a kidney, I be harvest the kidney. Wait till not the color. May I read 3 comments from now? Yes, my people. May I read 1 comment from now? This person say, please give us the right direction. That hospital will pay billion to the victim family. We want to follow up the case until your family get justice. I wish so, and I pray so. I pray so. I pray nothing God cannot do. This person say, may they give her the right address of the hospital so that they will follow the news. They will follow the case, saying they get justice. If they will pay billion, can billion give person life? No. How much they give person life is 0. I pray may this guy not die. I pray life for her. I pray may get his life back. Then they will pay dear for it. I will be happy. But if this guy life packs on, they will pay heaven and earth. Except the guy still alive. Now me go happy. If he not there alive, they can't pay money. For me, now nonsense. Yes, I don't see anything. I see him use legs. Yes, my family don't use my life. They become a millionaire. God forbid. I rebuke him. Not be waiting person they pray for. I can make money when I'm alive. I use them to support what I want to support. Not be because of my, no, God forbid, I rebuke her. Now wait till this person talk with that. Another one say, he need to, they need to follow the hospital. Check all the doctors. Wait till this one talk so. He said they will check all the doctors. A lot, I just jumped. Now wait till I just understand how they try to, I'll paste the news for them. A lot of Nigeria hospital will be, they see, also, I don't want to pronounce that one. At least now, Russia. He said they need to investigate them thoroughly. They need to look them. A lot of Nigeria hospital, they into this. Another one, I talk say, my mom was actually moved out of this hospital last week. Glory be to God. Say your mama moved out. So, glory be to God. Now, this person, they say, her mother moved out because of unnecessary bill when they collect from their hand, and they don't know waiting, they don't diagnose their mother for anything, but all they just know now money. Glory be to God. So now we rush now come on for there. Maybe now God forbid. My people now wait till I get to talk with that, because many of our this guy, when they collect a kidney now, one person even write nonsense. Wait French, they say na protocol. I don't want to read that. He say maybe the boy is desperate. If the boy who did desperate, as I first talker, it can be your brother, it can be your sister. If not in, I think you go advise them. If the daughter, they don't they desperate, they don't even send person life. if they send person life, they will advise this guy, say, waiting, why you just dey desperate like this? You understand? Now it make me blame them. Whether the guy has signed, as far as it's under age, 17 years, is 18 years above. 17 years is still under age. Yes. Family not there when he signed. At least this is brother when the para, brother the verse. If you will look the brother deep, you go know say the boy they really they pass through. In fact, they feel the pain of his brother. Not be that his sister. If you show me that his sister face, me I look and where. You understand? Seeing your brother passing pain, which money go reach am? Which money? That one na nonsense. My people, I will leave and I'll see you in my next video. If you find this video very interesting, please watch. If you like to watch many of my video, link go there down below. Or now go see one video for here. Now click on this. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.